In this video, we are going to see how we can build this amazing pie chart in Tableau very easily. So let's create it from starting. We have already put all the parameters, but let's say if we want to clear this, you can just click on this clear section. It says clear sheet, and this insert a new sheet, name it as pie charts. And what you can do is just click on show me and let's click on pie chart. What this can do is if you add a little bit of parameters, let me just quickly add it for you. Let's put the regions in the rows, and let's put the sales amount here as well. Or let's put the sales amount right here. And if we just go to the show me option and select the pie chart, it will show us a pie chart like this. And if we try to increase the size of it, it will be scattered and it will not show it perfectly. So that's why we are not using this options. We will build this from scratch. Let me just clear it again. So first of all, what we can do is before even putting the data, just go to the marks and click on automatic and change it to pie chart right at the starting. And what we will actually do is, let's say we have sales. Just hold and drag and drop this on the angles and not in the main sheet. Just click on the angles and you will notice that it built a chart. But as we can see, it's too small. Let me just fit it to entire view so that we can see a bigger circle. But that's not divided in any kind of parameters like regions or salesperson, however we want to divide that. So after that, just hold the region and we want that to appear in different colors. That's very simple. Just drag and drop this in the colors and we have a complete pie chart ready in front of us. And whenever we want to, let's say, change the parameter, you can delete it from here. As you can see, the regions is selected in the marks. Let me just remove that and we are back in the original sequence. Let's put the salesperson in the colors now. And we have a similar pie chart ready in front of us. Let's increase the size. We can easily increase the size, and as you can see, it's not distorted. So what you can do is just, if you want to make it more interactive, you can just add labels to it. Just click on the labels and click on show mark labels. That's pretty simple to do. And after that, you might have seen in many videos that the Tableau is able to create many charts or many pie charts in a single view. How we can do that? It's very simple. What we can do is just hold any parameter, let's say salesperson, and put it to the columns. And what this will do is this will divide it into many charts. But as we can see, there is no portion dividing in here. So what we can do is just put the regions here. And now we can see much more meaningful comparison. You can also put the dates here. So you can see the charts of 2024 and 2025. So that's pretty much it for the pie charts. And remember that you can always change the color palettes. Just click on the colors, click on edit colors, and you can choose any kind of colors you like. So let's say you want more of a vibrant color. You can assign this palette, click on apply. And as you can see, it has all changed in colors. So that's how we can create a beautiful pie chart in Tableau. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.